Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. We got the snow and the ice. The solar panels are covered with ice and it's holding the snow on the top. But it's pretty cloudy still. I'm not going to make much electricity for today. What are the tips I have to give you? I have to share this as to why I got so many subs. One more tip. It's because I'm into a lot of things. My niche right here is solar. One solar panel at a time, one paycheck at a time. But my niche that I'm looking for is when I want a homestead. So whether I get a new house in the spring or maybe by summer, I'm looking at all of these homesteaders and I'm leaving comments. And since a lot of these homesteaders are basically looking for self-sufficiency, this is a self-sufficiency they're going to want to ponder. So whether it's outback or backpacking, camping, I just seen a really cool one ice fishing, and he showed his pack of the fishing gear, the poles. That was very enticing. So that this year, by next year, I want to be doing that too. So I'm leaving comments on all of these different varieties, these different niches, and these people are coming in. That's another one of. So now I'm going to do a shout out, and if you all want to shout out back to me, that'd be great, because that's what's going to help grow this community. So I have a meteorologist. He told me about this snowstorm, ice storm, 6 days ago. His name is David Schlotthauer. I'm going to leave all the links down below. These are the people leaving lots of comments on my videos, and I appreciate. That's why I'm doing this shout out. There's one. Yes. Hence why I want to move out of the city. Lois Ann Therapy Gardening. There's Walker Outdoors, the battery-powered house. His off-grid system is much better than mine. So if you want different varieties, you can check out their channels as to how you want to do your off-grid system. There's Off-Grid SE, which I thoroughly enjoy because I used to live in Germany for 3 years. I was stationed there. So, and he's European, so that's really cool. Off-Grid SE. Electric Closet. Thank you for all of your comments and likes and everything. There's Bottle Tree Farm. Her and her husband have, I think the camera's shaking, I'm shivering. They have